Tory Lanez found guilty on all charges of shooting Megan Thee Stallion in a very high-profile case that has gotten local and international attention. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. So, Tory Lanez has been found guilty of shooting Megan Thee Stallion in a case that stemmed back to 2020. This verdict was handed down just hours ago in a court in the United States. So, a Los Angeles jury on Friday found rapper Tory Lanez guilty of 3 felonies in the 2020 shooting of hip-hop star Megan Thee Stallion that left her wounded with a bullet fragment in her feet. The jury consists of 7 women and 5 men deliberated for a day before convicting the 30-year-old Canadian rapper, whose real name is Daystar Patterson, of assault with a semi-automatic firearm, having a loaded unregistered firearm in a vehicle, and discharging a firearm with gross negligence. With the seriousness of the case and the count brought against him, it could lead him up to 22 years behind bars. Tory Lanez, who was in court, showed no visible reaction as the verdict was read. He was handcuffed while in the courtroom. Megan Thee Stallion testified in court. Her legal name is Megan Pate. During the trial, that Tory Lanez fired a handgun at her back of her feet and shouted that she should dance as she walked away from a SUV in which they had been riding in Hollywood Hills in the summer of 2020. She said that the two had gotten into a dispute that got especially heated when she began insulting his music. She needed surgery to remove the bullet fragments from her feet. The shooting set off a storm of cultural issues and argument that peaked during the trial, including the reluctance of black victims to speak to police, the protection of black women, and gender politics in the hip-hop and online world. It's unclear whether they will appeal the actual verdict or whether they will be given the chance to do so. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide it more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.